Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to my core channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep you warm and happy and many continuous like this army. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet flowers basket designs, handle basket designs, beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, beautiful combination, very amazing colorful crochet basket designs ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first time also. Make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are new designs brought to channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and just love such pillows. So that video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. I will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah we will meet again.